Welcome, everyone. This is our third case study session in cybersecurity. And just to remind you, I just have a few slides here. I keep reiterating this stuff. But this was our schedule, and you see the one that's highlighted there. That's where we are. So we're almost done with our program. Maybe sadly, but not sadly for some of us. It's good to be getting to the end. But I also wanted to, so it's that one in yellow there. So we have two more sessions I wanted to highlight. We have one, there's one that follows this. It's on network security solutions, and it's another fellow, Harry Forbes, is going to be managing that. And then tomorrow morning we have one. And just to highlight something, I changed the very bottom one, which is on Thursday morning, and Larry's moderating it. I changed the thing on there just to say industrial cybersecurity and safety. Okay, I was hoping I spelled it right. Industrial cybersecurity and safety convergence, because that's what the session's focused on. It's cybersecurity, but this thing is a big issue of integrating that with safety today. And so that one is going to be focused on that. Someone was telling me, and rightfully so, that saying just case studies really may not draw people. They don't know what it's about. So I just want at least the people in the room to know that's going to be the focus tomorrow. Okay, this is our sponsors again. I keep bringing that up because I want to encourage everyone to go and into the showcase area and stop and talk to the people. Again, these are just the cybersecurity related suppliers. ARC, I think there's probably 50, but I think I have about 20 up there, 25. So I encourage you to go see that, because the expo closes this afternoon, doesn't it, Larry?
Yes, today's the last day.
So 4 o'clock? Okay, so you're going to have to rush there right after this session. With that said, our speakers for this session, we have two speakers, Rob Nolan, who's the CISO, I guess is the right title, for Noble Energy, and Travis Tust, who's the cybersecurity consulting lead for Sempra Utilities. And we also are going to have two additional panelists, Galina Antova, who's from Clarity, and Brian Proctor, who's from Security Matters. So first speaker is going to be Rob, so please come up, Rob.